Hi, my name's Andrew, and I'm here to show you how to get the most out of your Google Apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the power of search within Gmail. Search is incredibly powerful, and it's one of my favorite things that I love about Gmail. It actually helped to change my habits and behavior with my email. Previously, I used to have lots of labels and folders in my sidebar that I used to have categorizing people by name, team, or maybe even supplier. Now, Gmail gives me the flexibility to work in the way that I choose to. You see, we're now receiving approximately 147 emails every single day, so we have to change our behaviors and habits and the way that we engage with our email. And there are times that I just find it so much cleverer to search for things, and you'll find it almost intuitive to find you go into the search box to search for things. Your old habits and behaviors will then just change. You'll never really go into a label and scroll through that label to find that email anymore. You just feel compelled to search here. Now, I have a 100% success record in finding everything in my mailbox that I'm looking for. And one of the most incredible things is that the speed of search is not limited by how many emails you have or restricted. It's actually dependent upon your internet connection. So the speed of the search is always rapid and extremely quick. Let me show you what I mean. If I go into here and I type in a terminology to look for an email, like if I type in BP, for example, and I run a search, it's going to look for anywhere in my mailbox where that terminology comes up. And it also searches for it in an actual attachment. It's done a pretty good job here finding a particular email for me, and when I click into it, I will then be able to see that this has got an attachment inside there with the name BP. So it's literally searching everywhere. If I click on this very small drop down icon within my search bar here, this will really help me to refine my search results. So inside here, I can go and type in who the email is from. So if I say Training Room 50, I can select Training Room 50 from here and enter my other criteria. I don't always have to enter a from email address. I can just enter something in the subject, or maybe something that says includes the words. Note that we've got the tick box there to choose whether he has an attachment, or whether I want to exclude all chats. So if I click on the search button or press enter on my keyboard, it will go and run that search for me. So these are all emails from Training Room 50 that are not actually a chat. You can see there it says minus in chats. So now I can see those emails clearly. The other thing that I love about search is that when you start to use it, you start to become really comfortable and start to use advanced search tools. So let's say, for example, I wanted to find all of my stars that use the purple question mark. I can use the has, and every star starts off with a color. So if I start to type in that color, Google starts to give me some suggestions. You can see that I can now select purple question, and it will go and find all the emails that use the purple question mark. But there's a lot more. What happens if I'm looking for an email that has a particular attachment inside there with a file name? Earlier on I used the terminology BP, but there's nothing stopping me from saying file name help. I know that I have an attachment in an email with a file name by the name of help. It doesn't have to be the full file name, it could be just partial, but by using file name colon and then pressing enter on my keyboard, it will then go and find all the emails that have that particular attachment in it. To my luck, it's found one email here. If I click into it, there you can see it has this particular attachment with help inside the file name. You'll find this and many other search operators incredibly useful. If you're really interested in helping you to find 100% of the emails that you're looking for in your mailbox, you'll be able to click onto the settings cog, go down to the help menu, and then type in advanced search. If you scroll through this little pop-up of the help menu, you'll see here that Google gives you brilliant examples and ways of helping you to find every single email in your mailbox. Thanks to search, finding emails inside your Gmail mailbox has now become simple. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.